angels, welcome back to another self-care vlog. And this evening I will be preparing dinner for myself and also the family, and I'll be showing you a quick way to get a delicious meal that will aid in weight loss. So as you see before me here, I have some chicken right here, and this is deboned chicken. So, and I have done everything from scratch, guys. Yes, I can cook and I love to cook. Not to the point of cooking every day, but I love to cook. So I have some deboned chicken right here that is already seasoned, and I have my vegetables over here. In this bowl here I have some chopped scallion. Here's some chopped sweet pepper over this side. We have some chopped garlic with some thyme leaves and chopped pepper, scotch bonnet. We have some chopped carrots sitting right here, some chopped onions, and right here we have some basmati rice sitting and waiting for the meal. And here we have some chopped washed callaloo and some plantain. So all of this is done from scratch. All right, so we're gonna make a meal similar to chicken chop suey, but not with the pak choy and all those celery stalks. Just the callaloo, the deboned chicken with some basmati rice and some plantain, and this is perfect for weight loss. So we're bringing you through the process of me cooking this, and the aim is not to show you how to cook. Okay, the aim is just to show you how I prepare this meal plan. So I'm not going to take you to the entire process, just going to take you through stages. All right, so let's go. So guys, as I said, I pour some oil. You can use olive oil, canola oil, palm oil. You know, those are the better oils. If you don't, you can use a vegetable, but yeah. But I have this on the stove now, the oil heating up for the chicken. And then over here, I have seasoned add a little onion and pepper and a little bit of butter and thyme to my rice over here for taste. I like when onion and thyme and pepper is in my rice. It gives a nice flavor. And here I'm gonna cover that and let that cook and steam. And as this prepares and is heating up, I am gonna get my chicken and then begin to add the chicken to the pot so that it can fry up a little bit. And especially for this chicken and callaloo and stuff, I will show you guys the step-by-step of how I do this. All right. Okay, so I know that the pot is ready now, so I'm just gonna fry my chicken a little and get the chicken brown on both sides. You know, put the chicken in, let it fry. So as my chicken gets brown, I'm bringing the pot to a boil with my plantains. Let us peek at the basmati rice over here, coming nicely. So as you can see, the chicken is turning brown. So I have turned them for the other side to get brown. Then we're gonna proceed to the next stage of this meal. All right, guys. So now that the chicken is ready, it's nicely golden brown. Now we're gonna add our vegetable to the same pot, but please note that I have thrown off some of the oil from out of the pot, and we'll add our vegetables to the pot, to the same pot, guys, the same pot. And the pot is not burnt, guys, it's not burnt. So you saute the vegetables in the same pot, okay, for probably like 3 to 5 minutes in the same pot. That's where some of the chicken stick that's stuck to the pot bottom. And then you're just gonna add again all the chicken into the pot. Add the chicken to the pot. Then what we're gonna do now, we're gonna add a little water to the pot. We allow this to cook down a little. The chicken is actually almost cooked because we fried it down a little. So we allow this to cook down a little before we add our callaloo to the pot. Alright? So we're just gonna cover this up. We're gonna cover this up and let it sit. As you can see, this is well ready now and finished. Let us check on the rice. And the rice is ready. So y'all, it's looking so good, and as you can see, my chicken is naturally brown without me having to put on browning in the meat. And if I could scrape the bottom, you will see that it is not burned. So it may have looked burned, but it is not burned, and it tastes really good. Of course, you are going to add your little like salt if you need some salt. You're gonna add a little ketchup if you need some ketchup to taste. And so far this tastes really good. So I'm just gonna have this simmer a little bit more before adding my callaloo to it. So I'm gonna have a little bit more of the water dried down before adding the callaloo to it and steam down on it, and then we're good, guys. So now if we look, we can see that it is well simmered. You know, we have a little bit of water in it. So now what I'm gonna do is to add my callaloo to the pot. The callaloo is now fully in and it's gonna shrink. All right, it's gonna shrink all the way down. So I'm gonna cover it right now and allow it to steam. Okay, and then I'll show you how it looks when we're finished. All right, so now we see that it has shrunk down a lot and we're actually good to go. So this is it, guys. I will do my tasting and show you how it is. I can guarantee you this tastes really good because I've already tasted the chicken. So here you have it, guys, my finished meal. You can try this for yourself, and we're topping it off with some carrot juice, homemade as well. Carrot juice, and I'm gonna be tasting this right now, and I can guarantee you it tastes really good. Alright, so now it's time to taste. Let us see what this is. It's really good, you should try it. And then we have some homemade carrot juice. Give us a thumb up, share with a friend, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in my next